Pip's Great Adventure, a tale of resilience and friendship. In the icy wilderness of Antarctica, a young Adélie penguin named Pip sets out on a daring adventure to find his place in the vast colony of penguins. Born with a unique heart-shaped spot on his chest, Pip often feels like an outsider, struggling to fit in with the rest of the penguins. As the harsh winter approaches, the penguins prepare for their long migration journey to their breeding grounds. However, Pip's small stature and lack of experience make him feel inadequate. Determined to prove himself, he decides to join the migration despite the doubts of his family and friends. During the treacherous journey, Pip encounters a wise and experienced penguin named Gus, who becomes his mentor and guide. With Gus's help, Pip learns the importance of perseverance, teamwork, and believing in himself. He discovers that his heart-shaped spot is not a flaw, but a symbol of his uniqueness and inner strength. Amidst the challenges of the journey, Pip and Gus encounter various dangers, including hungry leopard seals and fierce storms. Through courage and quick thinking, they overcome these obstacles, forming a deep bond of friendship along the way. As they reach the breeding grounds, Pip and Gus face their ultimate test, protecting the precious penguin eggs from predators. Using their newfound teamwork and resilience, they rally the colony to stand together and defend their home. In a heartwarming twist, Pip's heart-shaped spot becomes a symbol of hope and unity among the penguins. They come to realize that their differences make them stronger together, and each penguin's unique qualities contribute to the success of the entire colony. As the winter ends and the ice melts, the penguins bid farewell to Gus, who must return to his own colony. Pip, now filled with confidence and gratitude, returns to his family as a hero and leader, sharing the lessons of resilience and friendship with his fellow penguins.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.